guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. I know it's been a while since I've done a monthly subscription unboxing, and honestly, I was just getting to the point with Ipsy and Sephora Play where I wasn't loving it. Like, I wasn't using the products, they were just sample sizes, and to me, it didn't really feel like a bang for my buck. So with Boxycharm, they do actually send this to me. I am very fortunate and grateful that they do that. But in my opinion, it's the best one to get because Sephora Play and Ipsy, if you combine them together, it's $20, which is the cost of Boxycharm, but you're getting full-size products in Boxycharm. And normally, the value is just out the roof. So I'm back to doing unboxings. I'm probably just going to stick to unboxing my Boxycharm because, to be quite honest with you, I canceled the Sephora and the Ipsy. It's just too long that I've been getting crap boxes. Let's just be honest. So anyways, really quick before we do this unboxing, if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls on Mondays. And yeah, I'm excited to dive into this package. So let's get started. Oh, and if I didn't mention, make sure you click that bell button. That way you're notified when my videos go live. Okay. So here's what the packaging looks like. And ooh, I can already see there's some good stuff in there. So one thing that I love about Boxycharm is they do actually put like all the prices of everything, so you can actually see what the value is on your box. You aren't getting like small sample sizes. A lot of times you are getting full-size products. So, ooh, the first thing I see here is a Cover FX blurring primer. And here's what this looks like. I have never tried the Cover FX primers, but I've always wanted to. I've heard really great things. So let's swatch this on the hand and just see how it feels. Ooh. Okay. Honestly, you have to squeeze this kind of hard for you to get anything out. So here's what it looks like, and then you just rub it in. Honestly, it looks just like the Makeup Forever one. You have to be a little bit careful with these because if you put too much on, it can kind of like crinkle up and like flake off on your skin. So you want to be careful, especially when you're rubbing it in. Start with a small amount and kind of press it into the skin. But that by itself, I'm sure is over the $20 value of the box. It is $38. It says it's a soft, lightweight, focused primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. So this is really awesome. I'm glad that I did that because I had a little bit of shine and stuff on my hand, and you can see it blurred everything out. So this is awesome, and it really sinks into your skin. I mean, even after like putting this on, you can't even really tell that I have a primer on my hand. So that's awesome. Next thing I see is a Boxycharm. Oh, I guess this is created just for Boxycharm, and it says matte lip gloss by the brand Beauty Creations. So this retails for $10. It says the Beauty Creations matte liquid lip gloss is specially formulated to provide a full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth and matte finish. It's a lightweight application and long wearing for effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. So the color is Sweetheart, and the packaging is super cute. It has like XOs and little lips on it. It's weird to me that it's supposed to be a lip gloss, but it's supposed to be matte. Like matte and lip gloss, to me, don't sound like they should go in the same sentence. So let's see what it looks like when we swatch it. I really feel like it's more supposed to be like a liquid lipstick. There's that shade. And let me tap off what's on my lips so we can apply this. Smells really good. Oh, it's like on my teeth. See that? Smells really good. So there's that. So as you can see, it applies. It's super glossy. It's super glossy, very creamy. We will see how it dries down, and we'll do like a swatch test at the end of this video to see exactly how it performs. But yeah, that is Sweetheart by Beauty Creations, $10. Okay, next thing that I see in here looks fancy. So this is the Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel eyeliner. It says it is a highly pigmented gel. Okay, this is definitely drying because it's like getting stuck when I'm talking. It says it's a highly pigmented gel eyeliner that provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. It's a creamy water resistant formula that allows a smooth application that stays in place all day. The packaging on this is just so unique. Hopefully you guys can see, but it has like little feathers on it, and then it says Pretty Vulgar. And it comes in this like old school little like pot container. I mean, this looks like you're getting a ton of eyeliner. I mean, it looks like the eyeliner is literally throughout this whole thing. Let me see if I can get something to swatch it. Okay, do you see this? Okay, I don't think I like that. All right, let's get down in here and swatch a little bit. Okay, so here's what it looks like. You guys always want me to do like try on stuff too. So, I mean, I'm not going anywhere tonight. So let's try this eyeliner on. Let's see how it works. Okay, really, I'm not down for these lips. They're like sticking together like crazy. Okay, so let's try this liner. Please, please be good. I don't feel like, well, honestly, now that I like got a little bit more on my brush, you can definitely see it's much darker than I thought. I like how much you get. I mean, it is $27, but still, I mean, that's some pretty dark eyeliner. Okay, I want to do a wing. I don't really want to, but then I'm like, let's do it. Impressive. It's very like creamy. I cannot get over this lipstick. Got that eye a little bit thick. That's okay. So yeah, there is that applied. Let me know if you guys want me to actually try on some of the Boxycharm stuff. I mean, it's kind of complicated, not like complicated, but you don't ever know what you're going to get. So I could put on eyeshadow and then open it up and not have eyeshadow to put on. Or I could put on eyeshadow and then open it up and it has eyeshadow, so it's just kind of hard to gauge. But I'm definitely willing to start with like maybe some foundation on and see like what happens. Maybe I will have makeup on by the end of the video. Maybe I won't. Okay, I cannot. I've got to take this off. Oh, that lipstick was bad. I guess that's why it is good to try stuff on. That way you kind of know, because now you know. But yeah, I really like the eyeliner. I'm excited and I love the packaging. It's just so cool, so different, so unique. All right, what do we have next? And again, $24. Okay, next we actually have a lot of, what are these? Brushes. Oh my gosh, I lost my train of thought. Okay, so we have different brushes. I'm going to save these for you guys because I honestly have too many brushes. So these are from Aesthetica. The retail on these are $27, and it says they are synthetic fibers. This looks like a really nice like little powder brush. And then you have 2 eyeliner brushes and a brow brush. So these again will be getting set aside for you guys for giveaways. All right, very last thing. Let's see what this is. It's in a white thing. Oh, this is from Pure. Okay, so this is called the Sculptor, and this retails for $30. It says a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. So here's what it looks like. Oh, I gotta cut the sides. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Ooh, this actually looks really nice. So there's that. You know what? Do I have anything to sculpt my face with? Okay, so we get 2 contour shades that honestly look really nice, really dark. And then we get these 2 highlight shades. So highlight shades, ooh, yes, they are blinging. There they are swatched. Let's put them on the face over top of the ColourPop highlighters that I have on, because why not? You only live once. I mean, dang. I mean, my highlight's already popping, honestly, because those highlights are crazy from ColourPop, but these just added even more to it. I wouldn't go out of the house like this because I'd be getting sued for blinding people. Okay, and then the sculpting shades. Let me get some clean hands to swatch with. These honestly feel really buttery. Look how like crazy my hands look. So there they are. I mean, they're very dark. I feel like if you're super light, you wouldn't really be able to wear these. But they feel very nice, very creamy, blendable. I'm just like rubbing all these shades in around on my hand. But yeah, that is going to complete my Boxycharm. So again, that one was $30. I think everything in this kit was really awesome except for the lipstick. Hated that, honestly. It was really bad. So it might be okay like if you put something over it like a lip gloss or something, but that kind of defeats the purpose of a liquid lipstick. So yeah, that's going to complete this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And as always, I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.